Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make with using AI viral clips with popular video, like say YouTube videos. Let's go for YouTube and just pick a random video. I will go for Mr. Beast. I will get the first video one.
I gathered a 1-year-old.
I will copy it, then go to make it for you. So go for the first link, and here I will just get the
Paste in the link and
inscription.
hit.
Sign up using Google. Go for Taki. Continue for that. So guys, after that you will go for make it shorts, then just type here the link and then go for analyze. After getting the analyze, you will have the background music. You can change it whatever that you want. You can choose some elements, keys and so on. The filter, the final language that you want is you can just add another title of the encryption of that. So all what you need to do, that's it, how to get some viral clips from popular YouTube video using AI. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace.